Hey guys, welcome back to my Auto Empty YouTube channel, and today I have brought for you the best list of the top 12 overbed tables. And this overbed tables list is based on the best positive customer review ratings, price, budget price, and which ones garners the highest online sale. So you won't need to go anywhere else to choose to finding the best overbed tables. Your best tables will be available from our this video, and this list save you lots of time and money. So to view the entire tables list, watch our video until the end. So I started from number 1. At number 1 is Drive Medical 13067 adjustable non-tilt overbed table with a wheels. Price is 54 and 4.4 out of 5 star from 70,151 customer already reviewed this table. And at number 2 is Vaunn adjustable overbed bedside table with a wheels. 69 is price and 4.6 out of 5 star, and 23,000 customer already reviewed this overbed tables. To view the entire overbed table list, watch our video until the end. And if you find your best table, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. One thing more, price may be vary in future. I will share all the overbed tables buy links below in the description box. You can check from there. And guys, keep watching our video until the end for the entire list. In this video I will share all the overbeds, models name, current price, current customer review ratings, and if you will get your best overbed tables. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends, family, which ones need. Thanks for watching our video.